What's good, people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I would like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content. Let me know what you think of all the videos. If you have any suggestions of which videos you like to see, let me know and I'll do my best to try get that content. And let me stop waffling and let's get straight into this pair. Standard plain old Nike sportswear box, which needs no introduction, but the label does. And the label says Nike Air Max 95. The colorway is white, yellow strike off grey. US 11.5, UK 10.5, centimeters 29.5, BR 43.5, Euro 45.5, and the size on this is, sorry, not the size, the style code is DX4236-100, and they are made in Indonesia. Bam. So this pair, I'll be honest, I was like 50-50 on for a long time. You know, everyone loved them because of the gradient. I was a bit 50-50 to be honest because of that bronzish color, copper / color, whatever. Then I thought, you know what, I'll grab a pair, man. They're sitting, no one's really buying them like that. Some people try to resell them. Let's all just laugh at those resellers. But yeah, we'll go through the colors. So on the bottom we've got that kind of brownish color, brownish copper color. Even on the bottom here, it's got that brownish copper type color with the yellow, and then the rest is all black. Midsole is full black and the bubbles are that brownish copper color. Then we've got the gradient, the good old school OG gradient. This is felt material, it's not suede nubuck, it's felt. Dark grey felt as well. It's a bit lighter than the previous grey, but it's still dark grey. Then we've got that type of wolf grey felt, and then like another grey. There's so many greys, I'll be honest, I can't remember my greys. Then we've got the white mesh, classic white mesh. Toe box is black, and what is it? It's felt. Those lace loops we got in that same color, that copperish, bronzish, odd color. We've got, it looks like 3M on the tongue. Standard laces that come with the Air Max 95s, the white ones this time. We've got the Air Max logo again in that sort of colorway, the OG colorway, but this colorway I'm meaning the yellow and that goldish, copperish, bronzish type color, and the black. And then on the inside, same thing, gradient, no swoosh. The swoosh on this is that yellow, and then it's got the matching yellow on the back, and potentially 3M. I need to double check that, to be honest. But yeah, I'm not really sure if I really like these. I think a lot of people are just getting them because of the gradient, and that's really it. If I'm honest, I just bought them because they were sitting, and I thought, why not? They deserve a review. Plus I haven't bought any since, I believe, the Kiss My Airs were the last pair that I bought. So since then I haven't bought any. You know, you got OG gradient. The color, I'm still 50-50 on this little copperish, bronzish, brownish thing. But I'll decide it properly and then see if I like them. But yeah, not got much more to say about these. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. You can wait a few moments, you'll see an on foot video. And most importantly, take care, my people.
Thank you.